So you have Eclipse Marketplace Client, and when you try to install a plugin, it throws a 500 server error. Well, fear not, Captain Nemo from Tech Media has a simple workaround. First step, go to marketplace.eclipse.org. Step 2, search for the plugin you want and navigate to its download page, then select its download icon. A pop-up will appear. Copy the URL, then open up Eclipse. While we wait, Chuck Norris is the reason why Waldo is hiding. Next step, click Help on the menu bar, then select the Install New Software option. In the Work with Text field, paste the URL, click the Add button, then enter a name when prompted, and click Add one more time. Interesting fact, in Pamplona, Spain, the people may be running from the bulls, but the bulls are running from Chuck Norris. Also, the Great Wall of China was originally created to keep Chuck Norris out. It didn't work. A site with a checkbox will appear, select it, click Next again, click Next, then accept the term of the license agreement and click Finish. While we continue to wait again, Chuck Norris is the only man who can fight himself and win. When Chuck Norris was born, the only person who cried was the doctor. Never slap Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris once shot an enemy plane down with his finger by yelling, "Bang!" When the next pop-up appears, click the unsigned checkbox, then click Trust Selected. The plugin will continue its installation, and you will be prompted to restart. Finally, click Restart Now. When Eclipse restarts, you can begin testing your new plugin. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and share this video, and remember, Chuck Norris does not use spell check. If he happens to misspell a word, Oxford will change the spelling.